Just like everyone else, we also wanted to go to Kashmir, but flight ticket prices were exorbitant, so we decided to take the train. This is a story about how we saved money and how it went wrong. As of today, there is no direct train from Delhi to Srinagar, so we took a train from Delhi to Udhampur or MCTM railway station. Also, this was my first time traveling in second AC in train, तो मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आ रहा था. The journey overall was really comfortable and cozy. And सुबह हम time से भी पहुंच गए थे. Next thing according to the plan was to take a shared cab from Udhampur to Banihal. It costed us just 600 rupees per person and the views on the road were just amazing. और हम बीच पे स्पेशल घी वाले राजमा चावल खाने भी रुके थे. At this point, I was super excited to reach Srinagar, and this is where things went downhill. There was a landslide on our way. We waited for a couple of hours and we finally decided to go back to Ramban and stay for the night and then head out again in the morning. We left for Banihal again early morning from Ramban and reached in around an hour. और वहाँ पहुँच के पहाड़ों को देख के तो भाई दिल ही खुश हो गए. चाय और बन खाकर फटाफट टिकट काउंटर पहुंचे श्रीनगर की नेक्स्ट ट्रेन की टिकट लेने के लिए. और फिर क्या व्यूज एंजॉय किए. Say this is a very pretty railway station. I have never seen many railway stations in my lifetime, but oh my god, the views, they are, well, I am a toss of words. I mean, it's beautiful here, it's beautiful right there, and I can just imagine how more amazing it will be when it snows. I mean, during the winter time it feels winters. I think I just want to come back here in January when it's filled with snow. Yet it is functional so that I can do that train journey to the snow. मैं actually चाहती थी कि इस बार हो जाए, but I don't think it is possible right now as there is no sign of snow on the route to Srinagar, but it's okay. Maybe next time. So we are finally at Srinagar after, I don't know, I mean approximately 16-17 hours later. We were supposed to reach yesterday, but we're here. So yay! And well, the room we are staying at is pretty nice. Heading out to explore Srinagar. Stay tuned for the next video. See ya.